From guys?
USA.
USA. Is that the United States or?
Yeah. United States.
Okay, so when did you come to Tajikistan?
I came about a week ago.
Week ago. How much have you already spent?
Oh, we spent a lot of time here in Tajikistan, walking around.
No, I mean money.
Oh, money. It's a little more expensive than I was expecting.
Are you sure? Why? Have you been to other Central Asian countries?
Bishkek, Kyrgyzstan.
So you're saying that
More
cheaper,
than Bishkek, but cheaper than Almaty.
but it is worth it, right?
Yeah, it's worth it.
Okay.
Very good food here.
So you're contributing to our economy.
Yeah.
That's great. What is your general overall impressions about Tajikistan?
Oh, it's very clean. People are very friendly here. I like the taxis. They're very cheap.
Yeah.
Affordable. Yeah, it's neat to see.
And what's your name?
Lucas.
Lucas. And what about you?
My name's Ben.
Who?
Ben.
Ben.
Yeah.
So what about Ben? Same?
Well, I came to Dushanbe 10 years ago.
Oh yeah.
He lives here.
So I live here.
Yeah, you live. Oh, so you have been living
Yeah,
from last 10 years.
Yeah.
What are the changes you have noticed during these 10
Big
years?
changes.
What's
Big
the
changes.
Dushanbe of 2014 and 24 for you?
Oh, it's totally different.
For example?
Oh, especially this the downtown area. There's been a lot of development, especially in the last 5 years. It's not somehow it feels modern.
Yeah.
It feels more modern than it did 10 years ago.
So you're liking it more than 10 years ago?
Somehow it has become more comfortable.
Okay.
Everything is easier. Everything is more comfortable. So it's good.
Any recommendations, suggestions for the future development of the city and country?
Don't tear down all these old buildings.
That's what we have been telling our government actually
Keep the
for a very long.
buildings.
Yeah.
So not to tear down those buildings,
Tear down the
please,
old building.
because
Keep
this is
some
part
that-
of our
that
history,
charm.
right?
Because if you erase that, then it's just like any
Any other modern cities
any
and.
modern city, like they build the same buildings in every city now. It's you go to.
And can you
Seattle,
kind of request that they do not tear down also this building and that building, please?
I like it. Please keep these.
Yeah,
It's
they're
nice to
nice.
have this main street with the old buildings. It
That's
feels very
true.
much like a European
That's
city.
true.
And I think for
That's true.
tourism purposes, to make other people want to come to a place like this, you have to showcase. We have nice buildings, old buildings that are kept in good condition. And
It's very beautiful actually, right?
Yeah.
Very beautiful.
I like it.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you very much, guys. Wish you good luck and have a nice trip.
Is this for, what is this for?
It's just for tourism purposes. So it's going to be uploaded on the Persia channel.